welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine and I'm back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be styling our living room, little TV area. You will see in the video that I broke the TV, so that was interesting. But I'm going to style like a sideboard so you can see just a simple styling of how that can be done. And I'm going to use mostly DIYs that I've done in the past. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know what you think down below. Let's jump in. So here's the current state of our living room. We don't have a TV stand, so everything's on the ground. And all this stuff is from our bedroom makeover recently. So it's just chilling here in the living room. This is the real life situation. We used this in the bedroom, which used to be our TV stand, so now we need a new one. So I want to sell these two art pieces that I made, this headboard, or move it to storage maybe with the headboard. Sell this, sell all these vases, and then those pieces of art. And then this will go inside of the TV cabinet. And I want to sell this too. Okay, so fun fact, I actually broke the TV while it was sitting here on the floor. So I might just stage it with the TV but not mount it on the wall because we're gonna get a new TV. But yeah, so I got this little wall mount, which I was excited to show you guys because it's supposed to be like no stud, really easy one to hang, which I will link it in the description still so you guys can try it because it has a ton of reviews on Amazon. It's really inexpensive and it's supposed to be like super easy. So I will link this for you guys if you want to try it. I am going to do it later, but it's pointless to mount this TV because obviously I broke it. So yeah. So our TV stand finally came and I was able to bring it in and set it up. But before we do that, let me introduce you to today's sponsor. So today's sponsor is France & Son, and I'm so excited because they are a luxury furniture brand. I love to bring content to you guys that's specific to my niche, which is home decor. So that's why I really love working with home decor brands specifically. For today, I'm going to be using the Melbourne sideboard, and it's so stunning. I've had my eye on this for a while, so I reached out to them and I'm so glad that they agreed to partner with me. I chose the natural mango wood option, but I love the black one too, also stunning. Before I show it to you in my space, I wanted to show you a couple other things I love. These chairs with the caning back are phenomenal. I love the way that they look. And then I was also swooning over their arch cabinets. You guys, they're just perfection. Be sure to check them out, France & Son. I will leave them linked down below. I will leave the Melbourne sideboard link down below. Also, use code Jasmine20 to get 20% off on your next purchase. Thank you so much, France & Son, for sponsoring this video. Let's get back to it. Okay, so here's our current rug. It's the one from Article. We've kind of did some damage to it. So I'm going to swap it out for a new one. And you guys let me know if you like it. Okay, I really need you guys to vote because I like both and I don't really know. I feel like I like this one because it's narrower and feels like it fits the space better. But I like the other one because it has a little bit more like visual interest. I feel like there's more going on with the colors and stuff. So vote in the comments which rug you like better. And I'll just pick one for now. Let's look at it. The wood is beautiful. So nice. So this is the bottom of it. So I will screw the legs on and then pull it out. I'm really excited about this. My husband already told me that he would help me set it up when he got home, but as you guys know, I have absolutely no chill. So I'm doing it now, and it's just the way that I am. You guys, I am so here for this simple assembly. All I have to do, so this is what it will look like with the legs. All I have to do is attach these legs and the middle one. So, thumbs up on assembly. So one of my favorite features about these sideboards is they have this hole on the back, which a lot of newer pieces have this, for your cords to feed through, so you don't have any like random cords dangling out. You can literally feed them all through the hole in the back and store everything on the inside of your cabinet, and then just plug it right into the wall. So I love this. It makes the house look so much cleaner, and all the messy cords just hide inside. Let's go ahead and style this thing. I got rid of the TV since it's broken. I don't even want to try to mess with it. I'm going to just use a piece of art for now to place hold where the TV would hang. And this piece of art is a DIY. I will recap right here so you can see this DIY that I did.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. Makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough.
so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below voting for which rug you liked the most. There was 2 options in the video if you watched the whole thing. Yeah, so let me know what you guys thought. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the support on my recent video. Just crazy. I really appreciate you guys. As always, keep spreading the love and light, and I will catch you on the next one.